This is Tracy at stampinwithtracy.com, and today we're going to make this little gift bag. You can see how big it is, fits in the palm of my hand. You could fit a lot of candy in here, or you could put a gift card, all kinds of things. So the paper that I'm using is called Nature's Poem, and we're going to use a different design to make today. And this is the pattern that we're going to use. Again, still from that same package of paper. So this measures 6 by 12, and we're going to bring in our paper trimmer and do a little bit of scoring. We're going to start on the long side and start at 4, 5.5, 9.5, 11. And then we'll turn it and score at 4.5. And this will create the bottom, the flaps at the bottom. All right? Now this paper, unfortunately, is a little bit hard to see, but I'm going to fold on all my score lines. And what you can't see is that I have score line here, and then you saw that I made those. Right here, there's a very small little rectangle, and I'm going to cut that out. And now I'm going to cut on those score lines that I just made, and I'm going to go up to the score line that's right there. So there's one. Unfortunately, we can't see it any better there. Right there. And then we have one right close to it, right there. All right, so you can see now, those are the flaps that I just made. All right, so on this little flap right here, we're going to add tear and tape. I'm going to go right next to the score line. And then at the edge. And then I'm going to turn it over to the inside, and I'm going to put more on this flap right here. So it's right next to this one. I want this to be nice and secure, so I'm adding 3. So we'll go ahead now and take this one off. And put the bag together. You can just fold it straight like that, but I like to be extra sure that I've got my edges exactly where I want them. All right, and that created our box there. Now we'll go ahead and push these two in. I guess I better trim that. Well, I'll just... Okay, so we'll go ahead and take these off. I can push that little piece that's hanging over. Just push it in. There we go. And then I'm just going to take these, and the last one I fold over will be the one I put all that adhesive. And now this is facing towards the back where that seam was, and it's all done. Now what I like to do is you just squeeze in the sides and then add a clip. Now when you have something in there, it'll be completely, it'll be different. This one I added some tissue paper just to show you it caves in a little bit when there's nothing in there. All right, so we're going to use the Stamp Set Takeout Treats and the one that's right here called This Is For You. I'm gonna bring in some Whisper White, some Tranquil Tide, I know I'm on a shaky shaky table here. Sorry about that. And we'll go ahead and stamp that. And I'm going to cut this out with a 1.5 inch circle punch. And then I've already cut out, using my Layering Circles Framelits, I've already cut out a shape this size. It's nice because these coordinate really well together. I'm going to put a couple of Stampin' Dimensionals on the back. Make sure they're, oops, got more than I thought. Now what the heck. And I'll add that to the front. And I'm all done. Okay, so there we go. I've got 2, and they were so easy to make, weren't they? All right, thanks so much for joining me. Take care. Bye-bye.